the full video time. So, these all need to cook a little longer. I definitely want to move this around a little bit. That's to make it better. It's also to get even cooked. I watch a lot of cooking stuff, kind of lame. I'm interested, and also my other siblings are cooking pancakes at like 6. I gotta make something. I'm already 10. Jesus. I don't know how to make eggs yet. I'm trying on that. I know how to make burgers. Don't worry, that's not blood. That's just juice. It looks definitely like blood. I thought it was too. It was just literal fats. Okay, let's look under these. I want to look under that, so. No. Oh wait, I flipped it. I need to flip it back over. Yeah, I just got some oil on there. That's hurt. Okay, I might just have to move the camera somewhere else. I guess I'll move. I can move this down to the side. Okay. Actually, no. We're gonna cut around. I might have just paused the video right now. I didn't flip the camera. How do I flip it? Oh, guess I'm just gonna have to do it the other way. Okay, bye. So, here we're gonna do this. Okay, they all need to cook a little longer. Probably be a long video. Yeah, I'll get I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't because it's a tall here, but there you go. I'm gonna be able to see that. Can you? Can you? Okay, let's put this over. But it's like short. Okay, I need to move this a little more to keep it. Because all that oil right there is getting trapped and it's not cooking well. Move that, and now perfect. Okay. Now I can move this all around. Let's push these down some. Because the longer I cook these, they shrivel up more. Because they were flat for like this type of flat, and now they're getting smaller. More. So I don't want to cook them too long, or else we're just going to be 2 tiny burgers. So, we're going to cook it. Jesus. That's still not done away? Okay. Because I'm going to season it once I get this flip. Since it's not flipped, because I'm missing I was not expecting it to splash oil like that. And this will hurt. Yeah. I've already got 1 burn right here from touching the pan while I'm trying to do this. And that lower to like 3. Better. I'm going to wide holding it like this, holding it like this. No. It's starting to cook more. Hold on. I'm going to pause the camera and then I'm going to bring you back once it's done. Okay, I'm back, and I still haven't fully cooked yet, but I didn't want to wait so long. I see the problem. I'm cooking it too slow, which is basically making the other side gray and not cooking, and I don't want that at all. Oh shoot, that's about it. I put it at like a 5. Didn't expect it to bubble that much. Splash it around. Splash it around. After I'm good cook. It's on this other side. Perfect. Good. Okay. That's how it's gonna be like that. It's gonna get a nice deal. I've been doing this for a while, so. And also, I've watched way too many cooking channels on how to cook stuff. And so far, I've learned it needs to be even, or else it's just gonna be. I don't know. I'm gonna put the same amount of seasoning. Probably not. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Measure the seasoning. Can you even see? Oh. I just burnt my finger on that. And it's better. My arm is a lot worse. I'd rather have access to my arm than my finger. Why does it say? Oh, right. It's the oil bubbling from under. Which tells me that might have to be flipped. No. They just need to be pushed down. Actually, I might just push it down some. Now I'm gonna push it down. Push it down. Push it down. Even cook. It needs to be evenly cooked. I'm trying to be careful with this. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I pre-prepared the bread. I want to be ahead of time so I don't have to waste time, because these are still going to be cooking while I'm doing that. I want to be ahead of time so I can just melt the cheese, flip it onto there, bam, done. Because I don't want it to cook any longer than I want it. Or not, I can always get it a tiny bit burnt, which is actually good, because it gives it a nice crust and makes it taste better. I don't know. I've been doing this for a while. I mean, my dad loves the last one I cooked, which is insane. Because I called him the chef of the house. I thought he had better burgers. I don't know. My sister be all worried about my cooking. Like, why are you cooking 3 burgers at the same time? I mean, buddy, I've done this 5 times. She saw me cook the burger and she didn't complain. Why she complaining right now? Also, I can't be complaining when any of this oil splashes on it. My brother does like 40 barbecue burgers a day at his work, so he works at a restaurant, so I can't be complaining because he gets like burnt every day. I only get like a few burgers. This one was like, what the heck? What is happening to it? It became a cut. How did it become a cut? I burned it, not cut it. Okay. I think it's about time to flip. I don't know. Splash of the water. It's good. Okay, let's look under one more. You know what? This one. I'm doing it. know this has been a while. Oh yeah, it went well. Just it's getting smaller by the second. This one I hope cooked well. This one I'm gonna make for my dad. This is the one for my dad. Okay, not gonna like this. But it's not as good as the last one I cooked. I'm just gonna deal with it. Okay, first one is onion powder. I'm gonna do it like this, make it down some. There's not much left. Is it gonna come out or not? Nothing's coming. Bro, what is happening? I guess we're getting no onion flavor because it's fine. I haven't cooked the onion flavor, so I guess we're just gonna add this next. I know this is fun. That's better. Slap them on it. Just to correct, it actually is called salad. Put some more on that. Give it a little spice. Gotta give it a little spice. Okay, we're gonna put paprika last and garlic powder next. Garlic for burgers, yes, it tastes good. Trust me on this. And finally, paprika. I'm gonna put a little more extra than we did the other ones. So, holy shit. I just forgot that this comes out like crazy. Like, it comes out fast. I want it to look like that. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. You can basically almost completely see the paprika. I'm gonna add a little more onion powder just to even it out. Because as you see, it's more paprika than anything on that. Makes it better, okay? Over-seasoned things might taste good. I'm gonna say that because I cook over-seasoned things and it tastes amazing. So, even so,